Hello dear students, this is part 10 of UPSC CSAT 2019 video solutions, right? So here we are taking another set of 5 questions. So let's talk about the questions. Question says, Anna born 4 years after her parents' marriage. Her mother is 3 years younger than her father and 24 years older than Anna, who is 13 years old. At what age did Anna's father get married? Okay, so let's say the mother and father and Anna, right? So at the time of marriage and after 4 years of marriage, right, and present. Okay, so question is saying at present Anna is 13 years old, right? So at present Anna is 13 years old, right? So Anna's mother is 24 years older than Anna. So 24 plus 13 is what? 37, right? And Anna's mother is 3 years younger than her father. It means 3 years older her father is from to his mother. So 37 plus 3 is 40. So at present Anna is 13 years old, her mother is 37 years old and her father is 40 years old, right? So after 4 years of marriage, everyone, after 4 years of marriage, Anna born. So it means Anna was 0 at that time. So we are talking about 13 years behind from now, right? 13 years ago from now, right? So 13 years ago, her mother must be what? 37 minus 13, which is 24, right? And father must be 27, right? And 4 years ago they got married because Anna was born 4 years after the marriage. So 4 years ago they got married, right? So 27 minus 4 is 23, 24 minus 4 is 20, and Anna was not there, right? Okay, so at the time of marriage her mother was 20 years old and her father was 23 years old, right? Now what is the question? At what age did Anna's father get married? So obviously the answer is 23 years, right? It's a very simple question, just based on thinking only, right? Don't use any formula to solve this question, just use your common sense, right? All right, now let's talk about the next question. Okay, next question says, Rakesh had money to buy 8 mobile handsets of a specific company, but the retailer offered a very good discount on that particular handset. Rakesh could buy 10 mobile handsets with the amount he had. What was the discount the retailer offered? Okay, 8 and 10. Just take the LCM of 8 and 10, which is what? Which is 40, right? So just assume that he had 40 rupees with him, right? And here, if for rupees 40 he could buy 8 handsets, then it was 5 rupees each, right? Earlier, it was the earlier, right? And this was the situation after discount, right? This was the situation after discount. And here, every mobile was 4 rupees, fine. So obviously, without discount, it was costing 5 rupees each, and after discount, it was costing 4 rupees each, right? Everybody, fine. So initial MRP is 5 rupees, and after discount, so discount is what? Discount offered is 1 rupee, fine, because after discount it is of 4 rupees, fine. So what percentage of discount? So percentage of discount is 1 by 5 into 100, right? So this is 20% discount. Okay, everyone. So it is 20% discount. Fine. It is a very simple question, right, everyone? Just based on common sense, nothing else, right? Nothing else. Though you can categorize this question under profit and loss category, but I think this question based on the common sense only. All right. Now let's talk about the next question. Okay. The average marks of 100 students are given to be 40. It was found later that marks of one student were 53, which were misread as 83. Okay, the corrected mean marks are, see everyone, 53 misread as 83, right? So it means after the correction, we will make it 53 again. So if 183, I mean if one entry which is 83 will be made 53, then obviously the total will be subtracted by 30, right? Okay, total will be subtracted by 30, right? So this minus 30 will be distributed among all the 100 students. So obviously every student will get minus 0.3, right? So initial average was 40, then the final average will be 40 minus 0.3. So this will be 39.7, right everyone? So everybody will, the average marks are now 39.7 because minus 0.3 will be distributed among all the students, right? Okay, fine. Now let's talk about the next question. Alright, next question is, read the following statements S1 and S2 and the answer two items that follow. Okay, twice the weight of Sohan is less than the weight of Mohan or that of Rohan. Okay, twice the weight of, ये statement number S1, right? So twice the weight of Sohan is less than the weight of Mohan or that of Rohan, statement S1. Now S2 is saying what? Twice the weight of Rohan is greater than the weight of Mohan or that of Sohan. Okay, fine. So now let us assume that Sohan is 1, Mohan is let's say 5, and let's say Sohan, Rohan let's say 100, right? Okay, so from the first statement, this data I am using for first statement only, right? This data I am using for first statement only, right? So twice the weight of Sohan is less than that of Mohan and twice the weight of Sohan is less than that of Rohan. Fine. Okay. Right. Now for the second statement, I am taking as Sohan as let's say 10, Mohan as let's say 15 and Rohan as 8. Fine. So now the second statement, twice the weight of Rohan is greater than Mohan. Okay, twice the weight of Rohan is greater than Sohan, right? So everyone, actually from these two statements we cannot conclude, right, like whose weight is the greatest and whose weight is the least. Question is, which of the following statement is correct? Weight of Mohan is greatest. That can't be concluded from the given two statements, right? In fact, the answer will be, which one will be the answer? The answer is that number which will be satisfying all the statements together, right? So here, none of the value is satisfying the all the statements given here, right? So weight of Mohan is greatest? No, because here the weight of Mohan is less than the weight of Rohan. Weight of Sohan is greatest? No. Weight of Rohan is greatest? No. Whose weight is the greatest cannot be determined. Yes, this is the correct answer, right? And in fact, whose weight is least, that also cannot be determined, right? So next question is, I guess, wahi hai, whose weight is the least? So whose weight is the least, that also cannot be determined, right? So D option is the right one, right everyone? Fine. Okay, so let's talk about the next question. Oh, I guess this topic is over. This part is over, friends. So it was a very healthy interaction with you guys. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you everyone. Thank you.